Hello everyone. In this exercise, you will discuss how to create annotation on assembly and create a 2D assembly view from the assembly. Okay, as you can see here, we have individually create the annotation and view is in a housing all the parts. Okay, motor adapters and housing, worm gear, whatever the thing you can create the annotation set view creation in a particular part or a individual part, then it will be fit to in your assembly design. So first thing is you have to do here, one option is there an annotation set in here, that is your view. Okay, visualization, that is your visualization. Okay, you can click here visualization and disable all. Okay, so for that what and one thing is you are in product mechanical product functional tolerancing and annotation. Okay, that is your first one. If you are in a part, then that is functional tolerance and annotation. But if you are in a FTA assembly, then product functional tolerancing and annotation. Some of the tools will be not available in this. Mostly all the tools is same, but you can deal this product functional tolerancing and annotation differently. Okay, then each part annotation set of the each part, you can see annotation set in each part is available. You have to disable to hide all the annotation. For that what you need to do is you can go to this list of annotation, select disable all, simply apply okay, because we want to create the annotation in assembly. Okay, then what you need to do is you create an annotation plane. Same gear reducer. You will go for this. Let I will copy this name. I want a front view this. Okay, for that what you need to do is again you have to go for this view. You go to this view, create a principal view. Okay, select the let this surface. Okay, front view, and front view name I can give this, my front view name is gear reducer front view. Okay, gear reducer front view and capture. Let I will capture, delete the capture first. Okay, delete the capture. This is my, if you will on, and if I want to change the support of from this to this, this is my front view. Correct. Then create the annotation in this front view. Create the annotation in this front view. What I need to do, I will go to this display the front view. Then I will create the annotation of let this create annotation by using this. What is this? I can give here datum A. Here it is. Sorry, my datum A will be here. I can go for this. This is my datum A. Okay. Then I can select this to this. Okay, give the dimension. Let this dimension is something. Let this dimension and give the tolerance value is 0.5, 0.5 plus or minus. Give envelope. Okay, click OK. Then if I want to add something here, text before, I can go for total length, GTH length equal to this. Total length, sorry. This one, total length equal to, equal to the value. Okay, then I can give go to this tolerance advisor. Similarly, similar to the this with respect to this possible all possible parallel not there. I can give a parallel feature also here. How to give the parallel feature? Tolerance. Then I have to select this. For this, what you need to do? You have to create a datum features here also, na. So you have to create a datum feature, add datum features, then select this and select if with respect to this datum means it will give you the parallel one with respect to A. Okay. So click OK. Now this is my front view. Correct. This is my front view. Now this front view I will go to this display the front view. I will capture it with this. Okay. Right click filter capture the front view automatic front view. If I'll do this the capture this is my front view. Okay. Similarly, now we can see this one in a 2D assembly. Okay. So similar to the part design, go for drawing, click OK. Go for view from refer first. Okay, it is a assembly na, so we can go with this isometric view. This is my isometric view. This is isometric view. In isometric view, no view will become no annotation will come. Then a view from 3D. Let this is my view from 3D means this is gear reducer front view. This is gear reducer front view is showing. Then if you want, I want individual uh, annotation. So we can go here later housing some annotation will be there na housing annotation there. So right click here. So right click over okay. Before that what you need to do is I'll go to, before that I will go to the sorry this one product and I want housing to annotation should be enabled. Okay, housing but it is not view in uh, assembly. So we can see you can go here view and I will go to this housing annotation high speed shaft front view. Okay, but you have to gonna hide this. Okay, then if I'll go here drawing and update, you can see. or you can go your view from 3D. Front view it is already there, na? So I won't go with the front view. I'll go with this housing only. High speed view. See, speed view. In this way, you can create the 2D assembly view. Thank you.